ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृतं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो मुद्रयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवा भागवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। श्रीमद् भागवतम फर्स्ट canto, chapter 15 verse 28. Shutobach evam chintayato Vishnu evam chintayato Jishnu Krishna pada sharuham sauhardena otigarena shantasid bimalamati. Shutobach evam chintayato Jishnu Krishna pada sharuham sauhardena otigarena Shantasid Vimalamatihi. Evam Chintayata Jishnu Krishna Pada Shararuham Sauhardena Tigarena Shantasid Vimalamatihi. Someone can repeat, Prabhu, please.
ओके प्रभुजी। सूत उवाच एवं चिन्तयतो जिष्णो कृष्णपादासरोरुहं सौहार्देनातिगाधेन शान्तासीत् विमलमतिः।
Sutta Uvacha. Is audible, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
Sutta Uvacha. Evam Chintayato Jushno Krishna Pada Saroruham Sauhardainati Ghadena Shanta Siddhimala Matihi.
Okay. Anybody else? Or you can go through.
Krishna Prabhuji. Sutamuvacha evam chintayato jishnoha Krishna padasaroham sauhardena tigadena shanta siddhi malamati.
Okay, what by what? Shuto Vacha, Shuta Goswami said, Evam Das Chintayataha, while thinking of the instructions, Jishnu of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna Pada, the feet of Krishna, Sharoruham, resembling lotuses, Shauhardena, by deep friendship, Otigarena, in great intimacy, Shanta, pacified, Ashita, it so became, Vimala, without any tinge of material contamination, Matihi, mind. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Ki Jai. Translation. Shuta Goswami said, thus being deeply absorbed in thinking of the instructions of the Lord, which are imparted in the great intimacy of friendship, and in thinking of his lotus feet, Arjuna's mind became pacified and free from all material contamination. Purport. Since the Lord is absolute, deep meditation upon Him is as good as yogic trance. The Lord is non-different from His name, form, quality, pastimes, entourage, and specific actions. Arjuna began to think of the Lord's instructions to him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Only those instructions began to eliminate the tinges of material contamination in the mind of Arjuna. The Lord is like the sun. The sun's appearance means immediate dissipation of darkness or ignorance, and the Lord's appearance within the mind of the devotee can at once drive away the miserable material effects. Lord Chaitanya has therefore recommended constant chanting of the name of the Lord for protection from all contamination of the material world. The feeling of separation from the Lord is undoubtedly painful to the devotee. But because it is in connection with the Lord, it has a specific transcendental effect which specifies the heart. Feelings of separation are also sources of transcendental bliss, and they are never comparable to contaminated material feelings of separation. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते शिवक्षामिनीति नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनीति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयति यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुजनतारिणं। भूते महद्वीरेमा प्रविभो निर्माय शेते जदांशो पुरुष भुङ्क्ते गुणान् षोडश सरसात्मिकं स्वलङ्कृष्ट भगवान् वचांसि मे, स्वलङ्कृष्ट भगवान् वचांसि मे। एवं चिन्तयतो जिष्णु कृष्णपाद सरोरुहं सौहार्देनोतिगारेण सन्तासीत् विमलामतिः। So here the result of always thinking of Krishna is Shuddha Goswami is telling here what is the result of always thinking of Krishna or Krishna's instruction. In the purport, Prabhupada mentioned everything is non-different. Anything is from Krishna, like Krishna's art, Krishna's dham, Krishna's name, everything is non-different from Krishna. So always thinking of anything connected with Krishna and Krishna, the result is here saying Shanta Ashit Bimalamati. Last line is the result. Shanta, he is fully pacified and he is mati, completely free from the material contamination. Bimala means completely pure. Mal means the contamination, and completely free from the mala. Where this malo will be free from where? Mati means our mind. Especially this mind is the cause of all our bondage. Mind is the cause of our deliverance. Mind is the cause of our bondage. So this mind, if always thinking of Krishna, like Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, or anything connected with Krishna, like Krishna's devotee, Krishna's dham, Krishna's name. Srila Prabhupada in the purport is saying chanting of the holy name. In this age of Kali, actually, Kali Yuga Naam Rupe Krishna avatar. In this age of Kali, Krishna appear as a holy name. And Srila Prabhupada is saying that in our heart, in our mind, or in our chitta, there is one television set is already there. But because of the contamination of material contamination, so all these material things are coming in that television set. All these material things are coming. When this cable line will be fully connected with Krishna, then Krishna's things will appear. And the process is to connect with Krishna, to fix our cable line with Krishna or Krishna Loko, Krishna Dham. The process is chanting of the holy name. Our holy name is non-different from Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said to Mother Shachi that Naam Rupe avatar, Kali Yuga. In Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there is verse like Jibha Rupe Janani Tumi, Naam Rupe Jibha will be the tongue, will be the Janani, mother, and holy name will be the appearance of the Krishna. And like there is incarnation, 3-4 incarnation, Mahaprabhu said to Mother Shachi that you are my always mother, and holy name I will be appear again as a holy name, and tongue will be the mother, like earth will be the mother, like a stone, like Mritika avatar, like Vigraha avatar. So this holy name is so powerful in this age of Kali, that holy name, by chanting the holy name, we can our moti, moti can be Bimala moti. Generally, thinking, the activities of mind is thinking, feeling of, and willing. The mind is always thinking, contemplating on something, and as a result, like always contemplating on something, the mind actually get attachment to that particular thing. Vishaya, that therefore in the Bhagavatam, Kapil Dev is saying, Vishaya dhyatam chittam, Vishaya dhyatam chittam, Vishayeshu visajjati. Vishaya dhyatam, Vishaya means the object of the senses. Object of the senses always thinking of the Vishaya, the one get the Vishaya. Or Mama Anusmaranam chittam. If mind is thinking always of me, like Kapil Dev is saying, if mind is always thinking of me, then he will get me. Mam Anusmaranam chittam, mam eva prabilyate. He will definitely come to me. He will get me. He will get my service. Also Bhagavad Gita also saying that Sarva dharmana parityajya mamekam sharanam vrajo aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshayisami ma shucha. So give up everything, come full surrender unto me, then I will protect you. Krishna is also giving assurance. And manmana bhava madbhaktam majjaji mam namaskar. Man, Krishna is not asking anything else, that you give 1 lakh rupees, then I will give Krishna. No, Krishna is not asking anything, any material things, because everything material is belong to Krishna. Nothing is belong to us actually. But we are thinking this is mine, this is mine, this is mine, and we are getting attachment. So Vishaya dhyatam chittam Vishayeshu visajjate. Just like when we want to think that I want to go to Vrindavan, I want to go to Mayapur, and after some times that you will find yourself in Mayapur or Vrindavan. So this is the result in this material world also. Like one is always thinking of mind, always thinking of money. One day he get a lot of money. He also like act accordingly and get money. So Vishaya dhyatam chittam Vishayeshu visajjati. One get that particular thing if one is always thinking that particular thing. So in Krishna Bhagavad Gita, and Krishna saying that that verse, that saying that mamupetta That shlok is saying, Mam Anusmaranam Chittam. After the death, he will come back to me. If one thinking of me and leaving the body, then he come back to me. What is that shloka, Prabhu? Particular shloka in Bhagavad Gita? Jam jam vapi sharan bhavam tyaje tente kalevaram. Tam tam evatikantiya soda tad bhav bhavito. Even after death also, in that particular Bhagavad Gita, saying that particular thinking in the particular time of time of death, he is thinking something particular thing, and he come back again and start from that thing. The same mentality he again carry, and in the next life he again run after that. Just like we sleep at the night and morning woke up, and again we start like thinking in the night time, thinking that I want to go to office morning this time, I want to do this, I want to meet that people, and like night time sleeping like death. The morning woke up again run for them because it was in the mind last night. So similarly, jam jam bhakti sharan bhavam tyaje tente kalevaram. After at the time of death, whatever is thinking, he in the next life he get that also. So if one think of Krishna at the time of death, and then next life he will come back to Krishna, he will go back to Krishna. That is also Krishna giving the assurance. I see particular, this is the experience, I have the experience, like my mother living in Vrindavan, but always thinking I am to go to like West Bengal to see my son, always thinking. And though I don't want to want that mother go there, but one day mother will somehow or other she arranges and go and reach there. So this is like thinking. Though you are in Vrindavan, you thinking some places and you reach that place. In this life, it is possible. So why not thinking? Always, if we always think of Krishna, then at the time of death, if we like sadhan karo, bhajan karo, morte janli hoy, the result will be result will be judged at the time of death. If we can think of Krishna at the time of death, like surrounding the devotees of Krishna and chanting the holy name and living in this way, thinking of Krishna and Krishna's devotees, then it is definitely we will go back to Krishna. It's assurance. So here, that like Krishna is saying, give your mind to me. And here Arjuna, the Suta Goswami is saying, if we think of Krishna, then our mind will be Bimala. And this Kali Yuga, chanting of holy name is the only process. Like Cheta Darpanam Arjanam, Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. Especially this Bhava Mahadavagni, this Janma Mitta Jara Vedhi, and Cheta Darpan, like our Chitta, will be completely marjanam by the holy name. And then only our mind, we can always actually think of Krishna by chanting the holy name, like Cheta Darpanam Arjanam, Bhava Mahadapanam, Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitranam, Vidya Bodha Jivanam, Ananda Umbadi Vardhanam, Patipadam Purna Amrita Shadanam, Sarvatma Shapanam, Param Vijayati, Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. This 8 shloka actually glorification of the holy name. This holy name, like first come Chetadarpan Marjanam, and it's Bimalamati. The Chetadarpan Marjan means the mirror of our mind like mirror. If that is like heart full of dirty things, and that is clean by the holy name Marjanam, then our Bimala, then we can see ourselves, who am I? And then only we can focus on Krishna and Krishna's dham, Krishna's name, Krishna's bhakta, and then we can be desperate to go back to Krishna Lok. Therefore, first come Bimala, first come Chetadarpan. And this Cheta Darpana and Bimala, and in Hindi it is says, like Nilmala Manojana Samahipava, my Kavata Sal Sidra Nai Bhava. Nirmala, this Bimala and Nirmala Manojana, whose mind is completely free from the material contamination, he can actually get me. And whose mind is crooked. Nirmala Manojana Samahipava, my Kopoto, Salo, Sidra Nai Bhava, whose mind is completely like crooked, cheating propensity, this material, no, we have a 4 kind of defect is there. So one is cheating propensity. So full of mind is always thinking how to cheat others, how to get that and enjoy that. No, so always no. So when one mind is completely free, then the relationship actually appear. A relationship with Krishna. That's Krishna's instruction and Krishna's like here Krishna's instruction. By remembering the Krishna's instruction, actually Arjuna here Saubhadena oti garden. The relationship with Krishna and Arjuna is like Shakya Bhav. And we also have a relationship with Krishna in the 5 rasas, like Shanta, Dasya, Shakya, Vatsalya and Madhurya. So Arjuna's relationship with Krishna is Saubhadena, that is Shakya Bhava, and that Shakya Bhava was so so garo, intimate, that garo, that Krishna and Arjuna, now Arjuna is thinking of that. And thinking of Krishna is so powerful. It seems like the question can come that when Arjuna was there with Krishna, that time his heart was not pure. That time he was not Bimalamati. Why now thinking of Krishna, Arjuna's heart become Bimalamati? Why Shruta Goswami is saying like this? Why? That means the association in separation, means thinking of Krishna is more powerful than the association, direct association. And that is also proved in Chaitanya Charitamrita, that even Radharani, Gopis, their love for Krishna became 1,000 times more when Krishna went to Mathura or Dwaraka. So association in separation is more powerful, and that can make us more Bimala than the direct association. Therefore, the love with the Guru, senior Vaishnava like Guru, when one is directly serving to Guru, that time he may commit offense, he may see something, and then his heart cannot be that time must Bimala. But when, oh, I have done this, I have done that, when I was with my Guru, and then like he lament for that. Like Arjuna is lamenting that I have done this, I told Krishna like this, I ordered Krishna, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He's lamenting and thinking of Krishna, and that can, like lamentation, in separation, lamentation, and like it is more powerful, can purify our heart, Bimalamati. So when our real love of Godhead, when Bimalamati, our Mati become Bimala, and that time actually we can be really humble. Then when first half comes Chetadarpan, then the 3rd number shlok in that, no, like Tinadapi Shunishem, Turudopi Shaishnana, Amanina Mandana Kittoniya Sadahori. Unless the first word come, we cannot come to that level, like Kittuniya Shodahori. Or Kittuniya Shodahori, actually, by doing the Kirtan, we can get Chetadarpan Marjan. Like thinking of Krishna means in the age of Kali, always chanting of the holy name is actually purify our heart. And when purify heart, then real humbleness come. Then only we can actually continue think of Krishna. So this subject matter of always thinking of Krishna is actually Prabhupada gave us the formula of this the always think of Krishna, like always like Nityam Bhagavata Seva. There is Prabhupada gave like 24 hours is divided by 3, like first 8 hours like for our sadhana, like Mangala Arati, like japo, like reading, attending Bhagavatam class. This all is like 8 hours for sadhana. So this 8 hours by this sadhana, so this always attend, always hearing the Bhagavatam, like Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavat Seva, 2 prakar Bhagavatam, Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakti Bhagavat. So hearing the Bhagavatam and reading the Bhagavatam, both are Bhagavat Seva. So this is also in sadhana. So and then come after second 8 hours comes like sadhana, then seva. I say first come health, sadhana, seva. First 8 hours come to take care of our health, like 6 hours sleeping and 2 hours like washing clothes, eating, everything, like 8 hours for the body, and 8 hours for the sadhana, and 8 hours for seva. Like whoever having whatever qualification is having, whatever he is doing, the result is offering to Krishna. That is also seva. Like in the temple, devotees like after the prasadam morning, like after sadhana, going to particular seva, like whoever having whatever seva. So this way, and like Girastha devotees, they also going to office, and the result they are offering to Krishna. So that is also become seva. So this way, if 24 hours we can engage our mind, and by this sadhana, by following the Acharya's instruction, our mind can be Bimalamati, and the result of Bimalamati is like result of Bimalamati, and that is the topmost devotional service. And in Rupa Goswami, Rupa Goswami saying that Sarva Upadhi Vinirmuktam Tat Paritana Nirmalam. There also come Nirmalam, Bimalam, Sarva Upadhi Vinirmuktam Tat Paritana Nirmalam, Rishikeno Sevanam Bhakti Uttama. That is the topmost devotional service. When the Bimala come, the Nirmalam come, Anna Abhilashita Shunnam Tat Paritana Nirmalam. So Anna Abhilashita Shunnam Tat Paritana Nirmalam. Anna Abhilashita Shunnam Tat Paritana Nirmalam. Anna Abhilashita Shunnam Tat Paritana Nirmalam.
Jnana karma dhyana.
Prabhu, repeat please. That coming in my mind.
Jnana karma dhyana.
Gyan karma adi anabhritam. Yeah. Generally, our mind is actually fixed in Gyan and Karma. Karma kando, Gyan kando, sakali bishayar bhando, amrito baliya jeba khai, nana jani seva phele, kadajya bhakkan kare, tahar janma adhapati jai. He's saying Gyan kando, Karma kando. So, Onno Vilash, this is Onno Vilash. Onno Vilash Tashunnam. In the Bhagavatam, also Prahlad Maharaj is saying that our moti, Bahirarthamanina, always outside thing, material thing. When Prahlad Maharaj was asked, Prahlad Maharaj told to Hiranyakashipu that your guru, Hiranyakashipu told, you think I am a fool number 1? I am Hiranyakashipu doing all these material things, accomplishment, sadhana, all this doing according to my guru, and you thinking I am fool without doing that Vishnu bhajana, Krishna bhajan. and I am full. Then you say, yeah, full. All are full. Mati na Krishna paroto shatova giriya apivardate. That saying that your guru is also full, number one, because their mati is Bahiratma Manina. They are all Bahiratma Manina, Vishaya Manina. And that is all temporary thing. This temporary thing. And they consider that is everything. Our body is also temporary. Whatever we see in material world, that is also temporary. And they consider that the goal of life. That is full now, foolishness. So Prahlad Maharaj also told this, that is foolishness. Your guru is also fool, you also fool, all are also fool. Chanda Amarko is also fool, no? So this all foolishness, the Bahiratma Manina. So is karma kanda, gyan kanda, this is also all is like Bahiratma Manina. Therefore, one who is always running after the object of the senses, they cannot have any sadguna, good qualification. They cannot have any good quality in them. That is also said in the Bhagavatam that Jashti Bhaktir Bhagavati Akinchana Sarva Gunes Tatra Samasate Sura. Avakta Chukuta Mahatguna Monoratheno Dhavati. Monoratheno. They are sitting on the mind and running to the object of the sense. Monoratheno Dhavati Vahi. So therefore, they have no good quality at all. Because their mind is like cheating, propensity, crooked, all these bad qualities are there. And those who have those who are not running after the object of the senses, running to Krishna, like to get Krishna Loko, to get free from this like Sangsar Davana, like Janma Mrityu Jara Vedi. They are having all good qualities, just Shasti Bhakti, like their devotional service to the Lord, to Krishna. By doing that, they get all the good qualities. Just Shasti Bhakti Bhagavati Akinchana. They are Akinchan. Akinchan means they engage everything in Krishna service. They are not attached to anything. Akinchan. And that is also Rupa Goswami mentioned, that is Yukta Vairagya. Yukta Vairagya means everything can be used in the service of Krishna without any attachment, because their mind is completely focused on Krishna. And how to please Krishna? That is Rishikana Bhaktiruttama. Always thinking of Krishna and doing that. Jashasti Bhakti Sarva Gunas Tatra Samasate. All the good qualities actually are developed in their body. All the good qualities. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that Jive Daya Name Rusi Vaishnava Sevo Ya Hoite Dharma Nahi Sanatan. Jive Daya. Generally in the material world, people, there is many society maybe, they are doing Jive Daya society. Jadaridra Narayan Seva, Jive Daya. And then their kitchen, they cutting the chicken. They call it as Jive Daya. Doing Jadaridra Seva and the chicken also in the kitchen, cutting all the living entity. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Jive Daya is not like that. Jive Daya means Prasad Bhuji. Completely only Prasad Seva. And real Jiva Daya means to bring the living entity into the lotus feet. Those who are like forget their real father, bring to them Krishna's lotus feet, real father. And that is Jiva Daya. And Jiva Daya another means even by word, hurting any other. Or to speak of Vaishnava, even by word, not to hurt any living entities. If my sound, vibration, even I am doing PP in the car, like horn disturbing others, that is also not Jiva Daya. That is I am udbigna to other living entity. Maybe there is a small, tiny living entity who cannot tolerate the sound, and I am giving that no. though sometimes not practical, but not to hurt any living entity by word, by sound, and not to speak of by killing, not to hurt by killing any living entity, not to hurt by word, and not to think of giving harmness to any living entity. That is Jivedaya. And real Jivedaya is bringing the soul, fallen soul, to the lotus feet of Krishna. Jivedaya. And that comes through Nameruchi. This holy name, the power of the holy name is so, there is one story I can remember, the one on lover. He is having one follower. He bought like 10 rupees or 20 rupees on nice gulab. He bought to offer his lover, his beloved one. So he is crossing. His girlfriend is the other side of the river. He is crossing the river. He wants to give that follower to the and propose. So while he was crossing, that time his follower, like in the river, big current came and he fell down, and the follower is gone from his hand. And that time he told Govindaya Namo, like Udukhoi Govindaya Namo, Govindaya Namo. What to do now? He's already gone at the current, big current. He cannot catch that follower again. So he just said Govindaya Namo. Then after his death, the Jamduta came, because he never did any good action in his life, because he was just running after the material things and doing all the nonsense activities. But that in his life, the one good thing he did, that is he chanted the holy name on time, Govindaya Namo, and offered the follower to the Lord. That good thing he did on time in his life. And what happened? He was taken to the Jamloka, and Jamraj is asking Chitragupta, please bring his file. And Chitragupta brought the file. Chitragupta, without opening the file, Chitragupta is telling, my Lord, just put him in the hell. He never did any good action in his life. Jamraj told, I have done mistake in the previously, and I have the experience. Narai Akbar Tolai Jai. I want to commit any more offense, any more mistake. You just say, if there any good action he has done in his life. So Chitragupta was checking, all the pages are black, but one page he found white. He has done one good action, and that is it. That action is he told the Govinda and one follower he gave him, chanting the name. Then Chitragupta told Maharaj, this is one good thing he has done. Then Jamraj asked him, so you will send to the hell for that many thousands of lifetime, and another year you will get punishment. In hell, this punishment you waiting, and you have done a good thing in your life. You go to the Shaloko for only 10 minutes in Nandankanan. You can travel there in Nandankanan. Apsaras, you can also maybe some the here, enjoy the Nandankanan 10 minutes. And then which one you get first? He told Maharaj, I want to go to Nandankanan first. I want to enjoy the heavenly planet first. Then I have to go here. After that, I go to hell. Then two Amdutas, they took him to the Nandan, and they told, your time is done now.
750.
And in the Nandankanan, he has many followers. Very nice followers, are there blooming anything. So he asked the gardener, me to cut it, so that I cut the follower. And he took the two chop, and with the two hands, he was just cutting. Govindaya Namo, Govindaya Namo, Govindaya Namo, all he speak and chanting many times Govinda's name and offering the follower to Govinda. And then he come back. After time finished, he came back to the Jamlok, and Chitragupta told Maharaj, now not to see he did maybe something wrong, no, him to the hell. Maharaj told, no, check the file again, no, and the file, when Chitragupta opened the file, everything is right. No, he's qualified to go back to Godhead now. He's qualified to go back to Godhead. There is a story like this. Like when we have got some time, no, if do something good, like bhakti is vinash. Bhakti, bhakti, everything never destroy. Bhakti. Anything bhakti related to Krishna, man, devotional spirit related to Krishna is all bad. All bad. There is another story.
Prabhuji, we will conclude, Prabhuji, because it is reaching 7:50. Hare Krishna. Another class.